I'm racing a giant clock in the sky, aka the sun. It's setting and it's like 5:30 and I was like, oh yeah, that video I was gonna film today because I'm filming videos every single day. Hey everybody, it's funny. Look at the gloom. I'll show you the gloom. Gloom. Also, I think the people in front of me have a real loud radio or something going on because I'm like hearing like a da-da and then like voices, which da-da. Like, are you guys hearing that? If not, I'm just seeming like myself. I was gonna say crazier than usual, but that's nothing crazier than what I normally say here. So today we're gonna be trying a very special Valentine's Day Starbucks Frappuccino. They've done it again. We've done unicorns, we've done zombies, and now we're gonna do, I'm hoping what's gonna taste like chocolate covered cherries. Let's go through the drive-thru. Maybe I should not talk to myself as I go through the drive-thru. Everyone here already knows that I'm crazy though. Driving and vlogging. Oh look, it's Helen. Hey, candid camera. Do you want to say hey?
Hey.
Hey. Oh, I cut your head off.
My head.
I didn't mean to do that. You probably need that. Can I get like an epic like Scorsese window drink delivery? Somebody told me this tastes like cough syrup. Do you agree or disagree? Oh! Ugh. Everyone that I talk to here tells me this tastes like cough syrup. I hope it's not gonna ruin me on chocolate covered cherries forever. I feel like I'm always coming on here saying like, it's my favorite. And I feel like I just have like 75 favorites, which is crazy because Dogman has no favorites. Like he literally has no favorites of anything. Yeah, that's kind of a lie. He used to have strictly no favorites about anything, but now he'll have like 1 or 2 favorite things. But I feel like I'm always like, it's my favorite. It's my favorite because I love O. Henry bars and I love chocolate covered cherries, and I'm trying to think of what other kind of candy I love. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, it looks so pretty. Oh, it looks so pretty. Yes. Let's pull into the parking lot. I really wish I could take like an epic thumbnail for this video. You guys, I wish that I had like a magical photographer. You know, like the Fairly Odd Parents, how there's just fairies that come out and do stuff. I wish I had a magic fairy photographer. Is lighting better this way? This way? Let's go this way into the great blue yonder. I don't know where I'm gonna park. I'm so indecisive, mate. Okay, we're gonna park here. We're gonna park here. We're gonna park here. We're gonna park here. This is where we're gonna park. Even though I'm like honestly triggered. Honestly triggered. It's an appropriate time to say this phrase. Because okay, they started construction over here by my Starbucks. We were promised a freaking Chick-fil-A and a Panera Bread. Do you know what we got? I'll tell you what we got. We got a freaking emergency place. I don't want to see that. We already have like 50 of those, honestly. That's the one thing we didn't need. We didn't need another one of these. We don't need another nail salon. We don't need another dry cleaners. We need more Chick-fil-A, okay? Oh my God, the whispering the whole time has been my own music faintly playing in the background. Before this gets all yucky maducky, maybe I should take a picture of it. Ooh, look at that. I feel like you guys can't see any of the details. Basically, it looks like your average Frappuccino. You can't tell that anything special is going on in this cup. It's just the toppings. It's whipped cream and crushed stuff. I think it's cherries and some crispy fragments that, I'm gonna be honest, look a little bit like bacon bits. Hopefully you guys can see the bacon bits. I want you to, yep, bacon bits sprinkled all in my drink. I should probably look it up so I can tell you guys like the official stuff. I also feel like I should go ahead and stop and take a thumbnail. It's really so sad to me that thumbnails are so important because that's my least favorite thing about making YouTube videos, honestly, is a thumbnail, because I'm just like, my thumbnails never look good. Like, there's nothing enticing about my thumbnails, and they're so important these days, and I just can't get it right. That's what I need the Fairly Odd Parents for. Also, my space buns, I tried to do like a 5-second sassy hairdo, and they're droopy already. Why? It's a riot, riot. I'm so mad that that's the song that's always stuck in my head year round, Doesn't matter. It's like if there's ever gonna be a song that I wake up with stuck in my head, it's gonna be freaking Zoot Suit Riot. It wasn't even that great of a song, to be honest. I think it's just supposed to be chocolate covered cherries, but let's look up Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day gifts for him. Valentine's Day, Starbucks. Starbucks is launching a divisive Valentine's Day mocha? What does that mean? It's supposed to be inspired by a box of chocolates, but one of the most controversial chocolates in the box. Seriously? Cherry cordial is the most controversial chocolate in the box? I feel like that's always the one that I go for first. Okay, cherry mocha, a slightly sweet mocha sauce, and candied cherry syrup, which is then mixed with steamed milk before being topped off with whipped cream, sugar, and a touch of cocoa sprinkles. So it is available either hot or iced. I really don't like hot drinks. The only thing I really ever like is hot tea. I don't even think I like hot coffee. I don't know. I'm just like, I don't really like anything hot. I don't want hot food. I don't want hot drinks. Let's just get into the tasting. I'm sure I'm really just annoying the sweet wazoo out of some of you guys. So, cheers to you, Swamp Fam. Let's have a little sippy sippy. Ew! Did you guys see the freaking spittle that just came out of my mouth? Okay, no, this is 110% delicious. I don't know what everyone's talking about. No, I'm gonna drink this whole freaking thing and gain about 10 pounds. I am loving it. What is so weird is, maybe it's just because I'm such a cherry head and I'm always scouting out cherry flavored everything. I feel like cherry is kind of my favorite flavor of candy. Like if I'm eating gummies, if I'm eating chocolate covered cherries. What was I just about to say? There's another cherry flavored candy. Oh, like cherry Starburst. Like, I love cherry. I'm always drinking cherry Pepsi, cherry Dr. Pepper, cherry Coke. And so I'm literally not noticing it. I thought that maybe there would even be like, a nasty aftertaste, but I'm really not getting it. It's so weird because when everybody was telling me it tastes like cough syrup, it's like super way too cherry, like that's what I thought I was gonna be getting, was a predominantly cherry taste, but I don't. I'm mostly just tasting like a normal mocha frappuccino, and I'm getting some of the toppings sucked up through the straw like cherry, and I am tasting like a faint cherry flavoring, but I am loving this. It is honestly so freaking good. I'm gonna eat some of the cherry pieces off the top. Wow. Those are really sweet and crunchy. I don't feel like I ever 100% understand what candied something is. I think that it was the Christmas tree Frappuccino where we got candied cranberries or something on top. I'm guessing candied by now just means it's like super crunchy, maybe almost like dehydrated. I don't know. But this is overall extremely delicious. Kind of my favorite part probably is sucking up some of the crunchy cherry bits off the top and drinking. I don't know why I like that. I guess that's why I like bubble tea so much as well. But like when I'm just kind of like sucking something up through a straw and I just get like a little mystery crunch or something, just a little mystery sucked up in my straw, it makes the drink so much more enjoyable to me. I kind of don't know why this ombre effect is developing, but I'm sure you guys can see it's like super light at the top. I guess that's just because of all the whipped cream on the top sort of like sinking in to the rest of the blended beverage. But you guys, this is 2 thumbs up from me. This is definitely one of my favorites. I might like it more. I'm trying to even remember what the Christmas tree one tasted like now, because I forgot we had that one as well. But I really loved the zombie one especially the base of the drink, because it was like a caramel apple. But I think that now this one is my favorite. So I think it's gonna have to be this one, then the zombie one, then the Christmas tree one, then the unicorn one. The unicorn one was honestly my least favorite. It was just way too much. Kind of like, it was very pretty and it was definitely like the most fun looking one probably out of them all. Nah. I really like the zombie one because I loved it how there was like that blood dripping effect. So unicorn one, second prettiest, but you know me, I'm creepy at heart. But I think that definitely the unicorn one was one of the prettiest ones, obviously, but it was like kind of the nastiest. It was just too much. It was too sweet, too sugary, too sour. But I kind of think that they toned it down since then so that it's like pretty drinks or themed drinks, but with more normal flavors. Anyway, you guys, that is it for today's video. Keeping it short and sweet. I hope you guys have been having an awesome February so far. I'm so glad we have not missed a day of Valentines yet. I'm feeling so good that we're not gonna mess up this time. Wish me luck. Keep the sassiness alive in the comments. And thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click that button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Swamp Family, and give an alligator its wings. Also, if you want, you can like me on Facebook, facebook.com/graveyardgirl, or you can follow me on Twitter, Tumblr, or Instagram at graveyardgirl. Same way it's spelled here. What will they think of next? I'm kind of curious to know like what their next thing will be. I don't know why all of a sudden at the conclusion of this video I'm just like, ooh, time for an oil blotter sheet. Oh, it's always around my nose. Who wanted to see this? I'm sure no one. I just got a gross thought. Let's test this out together. Welcome to the surprise conclusion of this video. I wonder what happens if you take an oil sheet and rub it on your phone. My phone's actually like not as oily as I thought. Although I do take a Lysol wipe and sanitize my phone at least once a day, every day. I know. I'm a germaphobe and I'm not helping and all that important information. But seriously, you guys, once I learned the statistic that your phone is dirtier than a toilet seat, do you think I cannot sanitize that after hearing that? What did you think was gonna happen after I learned that factoid? Thank you guys so much for hanging out and for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I love y'all. Bye!